Hi folks, welcome to Bell CB. We've got a Stryker SR-497 today. This is for Randy in South Alabama. Alright, we're going to check it out. Power all the way down, Randy. Set to 10 watts on the top scale. So here's about 3 watts. I'm going to go to 100 watt scale now. 3 is the 3 watts. And I'll turn the power all the way up. It should show 30. Okay, and then if I put it in FM, it'll go to 60. Okay. You probably see a lot of radios with the FM way higher than that. I don't like to see them get that hot. Peak power on AM with this 250 slick, so that's 100 right there. About 115. Hello. Okay, Randy had us put a toy in here. All I've recorded so far, I recorded over the people. And I recorded some noise. Oops. And I've recorded nothing. So let's see if we can record something. Stop recording. Alright. Now my monitor radio is on 205 up there, so let me put it on channel 20. Tell me load. Alright. And then it'll play again. Next time you key it, if you don't remember to shut it off, put it in the middle. If it plays again next time you key, still I just key it again and it'll shut up. Little trick of the trade there. Alrighty. Let's check it out here. How about a 19? Can I get a radio check real quick? Breaker.
Radio check.
Thank you, sir. You have a fine day.